Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video, guys, we'll show you how to remove paint scuff. If your bumper was hit by another vehicle or you hit gently another vehicle or something, you might have paint scuffs like that, guys. Okay, you can see the ones right here. And this is a broken bumper. We have a video how to repair that bumper. Okay, you make it like new again. You can see we started the repair, but on this side we have a lot of paint scuffs, okay, from the damage. So today, guys, we're going to show you, okay, how to get rid of that, okay, and how to polish it and get rid of most of the paint scuffs. So what we're using, just alcohol, rubbing alcohol, the one from the pharmacy, okay. You need to get a microfiber towel on a quart. Preferably don't use acetone because acetone will eat the clear coat and the paint, okay. And once you soak it in, everything will start coming off. Okay, it might take a little bit more because if it's thicker paint scuff, it will take a little bit more time, but you can see how they disappear now. Okay, and the longer it stays on the bumper actually, or your vehicle, the harder it is to get it out. Okay, you can see once you soak it, everything starts coming off. It will not be perfect by any means because this one went through the paint, but in most cases you might just have a scuff that didn't go through the paint, okay. And in this case, the repair will be great. Okay, we'll see if a few of them went through the paint, but not all of them. Okay, so you can see that started cleaning as well. So far, you can see how much better that thing looks. Okay, guys, and that's what we have right now. So we'll get to the next step in a second. Okay, next, usually we use that Gloss Works by Chemical, guys. This one, it's an ultimate glaze. Okay, it's really shiny wax. So we'll get a microfiber towel again, and we'll generously apply a thick layer. Okay, you gotta make sure that you mix it good, and we're going to put even a little bit more. Okay, and you have to rub it in 1 or 2 coats. Okay, let's polish it a little bit now, and we're going to get a soft microfiber towel now. Okay, polish the rest of it now. And you can see it looks better, but it's not perfect, right? So we'll try to get most of those scratches, guys, right here. Okay, something that went through the paint we won't be able to fix. We can with a touch-up paint later. We have a video tutorial how to do that. But now, what we're going to do, we'll take some 2000 sandpaper, okay, with a little bit of water. That's a wet sandpaper. And we're going to, okay, we're going to wet sand that area a little bit. So we'll just get a little bit of water, okay, apply on the sandpaper, okay, and we're going to sand back and forth. Okay, don't go in circles, you have to go back and forth on those, so we can buff the scratches, and it's important not to go through the clear coat, so you don't have to go too much, just try to get the scratches out of it. Okay, we're going to wipe it now. We won't have any gloss finish on it. It will be dull. Okay, you can see because we sanded it. Okay, next we'll get, you can use the rubbing compound, will be really good, but if you don't want to buy too much stuff, you can go ahead and put more of that wax, okay, and go a few times. And with the machine usually it will come out faster if you have a polisher, but we're just doing everything by hand right now. Okay, so you have to rub it in good, polish, okay, and if it's not shiny you have to apply another coat. So this is the finished result, not perfect by any means, you need touch-up paint, but you can see it looks way better than what it was. We'll have the video how to do that with the touch-up paint and not be able to recognize it, so thank you guys for watching, please subscribe and see you next time. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.